Summer is not just about beaches and relaxation, it's the perfect season to fuel your adrenaline and set out on unforgettable adventures. Across India and neighboring regions, the diversity of landscapes makes it ideal for thrill seekers to dive into action-packed experiences. From soaring through the sky to diving into wild rivers, here's a guide to some of the most exciting adventure activities you can try this summer. Paragliding in Bir Billing, Himachal Pradesh. Known as the paragliding capital of India, Bir Billing offers one of the world's best flying experiences. The takeoff site at Billing, located at an altitude of 2,400 meters, gives you breathtaking views of the Dhauladhar mountain range as you glide through the skies. This experience is a perfect mix of serenity and thrill, especially during the summer months when weather conditions are just right. For those new to the sport, tandem flights with experienced pilots are available, allowing you to enjoy the ride without any prior training. River rafting in Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. One of the most exhilarating water sports, whitewater rafting in the Ganges at Rishikesh is a must-try. The rapids here range from grade I to 4, catering to both beginners and seasoned rafters. What makes it even more exciting is the backdrop of forested hills, temples along the riverbanks, and the spiritual vibe of the city. Apart from rafting, you can also experience cliff jumping, body surfing, and kayaking. Rishikesh becomes a hotspot in summer, offering not just adventure but also a dose of culture and nature. Scuba diving in Tarkarli, Maharashtra. If underwater exploration fascinates you, then Tarkarli is the place to be. Located on the Konkan coast, this destination offers clear visibility during summer and a vibrant marine world just off the shore. You can expect to see coral reefs, schools of colorful fish, and even the occasional turtle. It's beginner-friendly, with certified instructors guiding first-timers through the experience. Snorkeling is another popular activity here, perfect for those who prefer to stay closer to the surface. Trekking in the Western Ghats, Kudremukh and Coorg, Karnataka. Summer is a fantastic time for high-altitude treks in southern India. The lush forests of the Western Ghats provide scenic trails, misty mornings, and plenty of wildlife encounters. Kudremukh, known for its horse-face-shaped peak, offers a moderately challenging trek through grasslands and streams. Coorg, on the other hand, is full of shorter hikes, plantation trails, and waterfalls. Add to that some river crossing and ziplining, and you have an adventure-filled weekend escape. Mountain biking in Manali, Himachal Pradesh. For those who love cycling and mountains, Manali's rugged trails provide the perfect terrain. With snow melt-fed streams, dense pine forests, and high-altitude passes like Rotang and Solang Valley, this region is a playground for mountain bikers. Guided tours are available, with options for different skill levels. The cool summer weather makes biking even more enjoyable, especially if you're exploring lesser-known trails toward Nagar or beyond. Caving in Meghalaya, Kremavamlu and Siju. For something truly offbeat, try caving in the mystical caves of Meghalaya. Kremavamlu near Cherrapunji and Siju Cave in the South Garo Hills offer thrilling underground adventures through narrow passages, rock formations, and underground streams. These limestone caves are among the longest and most explored in India, but they still retain a mysterious charm. Summer months bring better access and drier paths, making them ideal for adventure seekers looking for something unique. Windsurfing and jet skiing in Goa and Kerala. Not all summer adventure is on land or in the mountains. Head to the coasts of Goa or Varkala in Kerala for high-speed water sports like windsurfing and jet skiing. The warm weather and relatively calmer seas during summer allow for smooth rides, whether you're surfing the waves or cutting through them at speed. Parasailing is also available for those who want a mix of air and sea adventure. Camping and stargazing in Spiti Valley, Himachal Pradesh. High-altitude camping becomes a serene yet adventurous experience in places like Spiti Valley. Surrounded by stark mountains, ancient monasteries, and wide-open skies, Spiti offers a raw and unfiltered taste of the Himalayas. Nights here are perfect for stargazing, and summer ensures clearer skies and easier road access. Combine camping with short hikes to nearby lakes like Chandratal or treks to remote villages like the content so far. If these destinations are sparking your inner adventurer, don't forget to support this channel. A quick like, share, or subscription helps immensely in bringing more travel content your way. Join our journey and explore with us. Ziplining in Neemrana, Rajasthan. At the Neemrana Fort Palace, you can zipline over historic ruins and forested landscapes. This activity, offered by Flying Fox, is one of the most thrilling aerial experiences in northern India. With several zip lines of varying lengths and speeds, this adventure combines history, nature, and excitement in one go. The summer mornings are particularly pleasant for this activity. Bungee jumping in Mohan Chatti, Rishikesh. India's first fixed platform bungee jump is located near Rishikesh at Mohan Chatti. At a height of 83 meters, it's not for the faint-hearted. Run by trained experts, the jump offers a safe yet heart-thumping experience of free fall and rebound. Summer sees a spike in visitors looking to cross bungee jumping off their bucket list. Sandboarding in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. While often overlooked, sandboarding on the dunes of Samothuri near Jaisalmer is a unique adventure. Using specially designed boards, you can glide down golden dunes just like snowboarding, only this time on hot desert sand. Combine it with camel rides, jeep safaris, and desert camping under the stars for a complete desert adventure. Kayaking in Alleppey, Kerala. Explore the backwaters of Kerala from a different perspective by kayaking through the narrow canals of Alleppey. Unlike houseboat rides, kayaking allows you to navigate hidden routes, pass through quaint villages, and immerse yourself in the region's tranquility. Summer mornings and late afternoons are the best time to enjoy this low-impact yet deeply satisfying activity. Whether you're soaring through the skies, crashing through river rapids, or discovering hidden trails, these summer adventures offer more than just thrills. They create stories you'll want to tell again and again. India's diverse landscapes provide the perfect canvas for every kind of explorer, from adrenaline junkies to nature lovers. As the sun shines brighter and days get longer, there's no better time to escape routine and dive headfirst into an unforgettable journey. So, pick your adventure, pack your spirit of curiosity, and embrace this summer like never before.